Hi everyone, I'm a student at UHWOACM and I'm currently taking 2 summer workshops with Ayumi. I've always loved to draw pieces that could potentially tell stories, and I'm always looking for ways to improve my art skills.
The experience of working with Ayumi-san has been very busy, but worth pushing myself. I mainly work on their social media accounts where I can apply the design skills and marketing skills which I learned from taking ACM course at UHWOACM.
The experience with the Japanese workshop and Ayumi sensei has been amazing. It has been a great opportunity to expand my creative skill now that I'm being asked to tell a story that I want to tell, and the amazing story tips as well as writing and art tips she's been giving in general has been amazing and super helpful. I feel like I've learned a lot in this short period of time.
Thanks to Ayumi and her extensive knowledge and experience in her industry, I'm learning a lot more and becoming a lot more inspired.
This experience has been challenging me to improve my drawing skills in quick time. As I continue work on Ayumi-san's project, I hope to gain more experience in Japanese company and learn as many skills as possible through their feedbacks.
I hope that eventually I'll become good enough of an artist to the point where maybe a studio could hire me, but regardless, I'm grateful Ayumi is willing to invest her time into teaching us.
I'm super thankful for the experience and I'm excited for what this is going to bring. Okay, bye!